Hi, I'm Martha Warrener, a California bankruptcy attorney with over 40 years' experience. Welcome to my Bankruptcy Basics YouTube channel. Today's topic is car loans and reaffirmation agreements. If you have a car loan when you file bankruptcy, your lender is going to want you to either reaffirm the agreement, surrender the car, or redeem the car. If you surrender your car, the full amount that you owe is discharged by the bankruptcy, even if you owe more than the car is worth. If you reaffirm the loan, you are entering into a new agreement for the full amount that you owe, which will be enforceable after the bankruptcy, even if you quit making payments or something happens to the car. For example, if you owe $25,000 on a car that's only worth $19,000 and you reaffirm the loan, you're agreeing to pay the full $25,000 no matter what happens to the car or to your ability to pay. If you can negotiate better terms, like a lower interest rate, and there's not a large difference between the value and the loan amount, reaffirmation may be a good deal, but otherwise it's usually not. Also, reaffirmation agreements must be approved by the bankruptcy court. Most judges try to discourage reaffirmations. Redeeming the car means that you pay the lender the value of the car in a lump sum and you keep the car. This may be a good option if you can refinance the car, but in this market, most refinancing carries a pretty hefty interest rate that might actually increase your monthly payment. If you live in California, however, you don't have to choose. California Civil Code Section 2983.3 provides that so long as you keep making the payments, you don't need to reaffirm the loan, and the lender cannot repossess the car. Check with a bankruptcy attorney in your area to see if this option is available in your state. So what's the bottom line? Your car is probably a necessity, but if it's old and not worth much, do you want to obligate yourself to pay the lender more than the car is worth? Maybe, maybe not. Only you can make that decision, but it's worth exploring your options. If you surrender the car, can you buy a new one with a bankruptcy on your record? You'd be surprised how easy that can be. You can wait until after you file to make up your mind on this issue. It'll take a lender a while to force your decision. Shop around and see if you can find a car and a loan that you can afford. But if you do owe more than the car is worth, do everything you can to avoid reaffirmation, and do not trade the car in if you can't get enough to pay off the old loan, because the deficiency might well be added onto your new loan. And that's the last thing you want. A local bankruptcy attorney can advise you on the law that applies in your area. Most offer free consultations. If you live in California and you'd like to schedule a free consultation with me, you can call me at 760-409-7705 or email me at martha@bankruptcysage.com. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and doesn't constitute legal advice. Every situation is unique, so please consult a qualified bankruptcy attorney in your area for advice specific to your circumstances. Thanks for watching. If this video helped clarify reaffirmation agreements for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more bankruptcy basics. I'll see you in the next video.